how to fix and repair sound machine, amplifier sound machine, this electronics and complicated machine. First of all, you have to know the type, the model of the machine, and print the circuit diagram of this machine, and then open this machine, and then try to inspect and search for by eye, using your eye, damaged components like ICs or capacitors or resistors, like this. So this damaged one, you see this inspection by eye, and then try to use testing using speakers. So to connect the speakers to the output here, you have to connect the suitable speaker with the suitable ohms to the suitable connection through the circuit diagram, so you cannot damage the speakers. And when you connect or disconnect the speakers, you have to power off the machine, and then test if there is any output. It's okay. If you replace this damaged component and the output is okay, you solved the problem. But you have to search for the base problem. For why this component was damaged? Why? Because maybe there is some transistor or some fuse is need to replace. Also, you have to inspect the fuses, like this fuse, and use the buzzer through the ohm. Put the voltmeter on this here, and inspect the alarm. If you connect on this like this one, and you hear the voice, so this fuse is working good. So you have to, as you see, this fuse is working good.
Also inspect the heat sensors fuses outside the circuit by moving it, and inspect it by AVO buzzer.
Then you can use this avometer to check for the transistors, for the ICs, and download. If there is some IC, you have to download the datasheet of the IC and check each pin and the input and the output when you connect the power of the machine. You can use also oscilloscopes and power supply for feeding this by voltage, and use an oscilloscope to inspect the output on every component. So this is the easy steps for troubleshooting and find the problem and repair it by replacing the damaged component. So you get the answer for the problem, and the machine will work. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If there is any questions, ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible.